Let's look at these questions on linear relations. Determine the slope of the line that passes through -5, 4 and 1, -8. So we have been given 2 points that are on the line, and we are asked to find the slope of the line. And when we are given 2 points, we have to remember the formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to label the 2 points, one of them as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. So when they're talking about the slope of a linear relation, it's actually how the dependent variable change based on the change in the independent variable. Let's do this. So the rate at which the dependent variable changes in relation to the independent variable. Let's see how we can find the slope. So the slope equals, which is m equals, y2 is -8, y1 is 4. So I'm going to subtract -4 from, 4 from -8. So that's -8 minus 4. And y2 minus y1 we're done. x2 is 1 minus x1 is -5. You have to be careful with the signs when you're subtracting. If you're subtracting a negative value, it's going to become positive, so you have to put it inside the bracket so that you know that it's a negative number. So I'm going to simplify this. In the numerator, I have -12, -8 minus 4, and in here I have 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7, so that's going to be -12 over 7 would be 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is going to give me 6, and that's we can divide that. So -12 divided by 6 is -2. So the slope of this line is -2. Let's move on to the next question. Determine the rate of change. In other words, the slope in the linear relation represented in the table. So when we're given a table, we have five sets of data. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same rules that we used in the first question. So we're going to be using, we're going to be picking 2 points. So I'm going to choose 2 points from the given table. So let me choose the first one, and let's choose the fourth one, 3 and -16. So I'm going to choose 2 points on that line and do the same, follow the same steps. I'm going to label x1, y1 just to make it easier to remember which one is x1 and x2. It really doesn't matter which one you choose as x1, y1, x2, y2, but you just have to be consistent when you're subtracting. So to find the slope of this line, I have to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's do that. y2 is -16 and y1 is -10. So minus -10 over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 2. Okay, let's see what we have in the numerator. It's -16 plus 10 over 1. So that's going to be -6 over 1, which is again -6. So the slope of this line, the rate of change in the linear relation. So let's write it as the final statement. The rate of change in the linear relation, in the above linear relation is 6 Oh, no, it's not. -6. So that's -6.